Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm gonna be making a video on how to make your Audi A5 Flutter. This is it right here. So, still have that bent wheel up front, sadly. Anyway, I'm gonna go put a GoPro in the engine bay, and then we're going to drive around, make some cool noises, and then I'll come back, show you guys what you need to make your car sound like this. And yeah, so let's get right into it. Alright, so here we go. GoPro positioning is gonna be slightly sketch. Hopefully no big bumps, but you guys will be able to hear this thing. Okay, GoPro's in the engine bay, so let's go drive around. Here's the inside of this car. Oh, yeah, she's a manual. And here we go. Let's get some cool ass noises. So here's some of the inside noises. It might be a little hard to hear. I'm gonna put the camera up here a little more towards the engine bay. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's what the inside noise sounds like. All right, I'm gonna be trying to bang gears one-handed, so here we go. Oh, I missed her. I'm gonna put her in the video. That's as much as a pull I could do, because shifting, holding the camera, and no hand on the wheel, pretty difficult, not gonna lie. So hopefully the GoPro stayed in and we're heading back. Okay, just got back, so gotta pull in, and let's hope that GoPro's still in there, because I did not put it in very securely. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got going here. See if she survived. Oh yeah, she's still in there. Okay, so anyway, you guys have now heard what it sounds like, so I'm just gonna go over quickly everything that's on it. Nothing crazy, probably get all this stuff for under 400 bucks, maybe even less if you find it used. So anyway, we're gonna start off up here. We just have a CTS turbo cold air intake. I noticed a huge difference sound-wise after installing that. And yeah, it looks pretty good in there too, so let's go on to number 2. Okay, so number 2. You won't be able to really see this one, but there is a vent to atmosphere diverter valve spacer, and I think it's CTS. I got it off ECS tuning, so that thing's pretty cheap. You guys can pick that up too. And yeah, so that's number 2. Okay, sorry about the music in the background, but last thing I have installed on this car is a turbo muffler delete. You guys probably saw the video I did on that. I didn't really post any sound clips, so hopefully you guys can hear that now. It replaces the stock turbo muffler. And I didn't notice much of a difference, but it's whatever. Cheap part, you guys can do that. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helps you make your car sound cool as shit. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.